Hey, listen to me clearly. I am not giving you no type of advice. This video is for information purposes only. I'm going to tell you my story and why I made the decisions that I made, and you can do your research and make an educated decision yourself. Okay? If you got it, then we good. So back in 2022, I made a decision to move to Jamaica. And when I moved here, I needed to open up a bank account. So I went to the bank. While I'm at the bank, opening up my checking and my savings. And if you're going to open up a bank account in Jamaica, just be prepared to spend the entire day at the bank, because they need all types of documentation, all types of signatures. You got to go to this person to get them to sign off. You got to get some. Listen, it's a whole process just to open up a bank account. But anyways, I'm opening up my bank account, and the representative mentioned the stock market. I'm like, Jamaica got a stock market? And I said something kind of slick too. I'm like, why would I invest in the Jamaica stock market? And then she was like, well, it was the fastest growing stock market in the world. I'm like, what you talking about? That sparked my interest. So I had to do me a little bit of research, because I can trust, but I gotta verify, because the information is readily available for me to do my own due diligence. And I did some research, and apparently she was correct. In 2019, Jamaica did have the fastest growing stock market in the world, as well as in 2015 and 2018. But ever since the pandemic, the Jamaican stock market has taken a decline, and some of the companies still haven't recovered. And if you're an investor, that could be a lucrative opportunity. But this is not something for just anyone. You have to understand your risk tolerance, because paper assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, are a very risky asset class. It's the fastest way to gain money and the fastest way to lose money. But it's also very liquid, which means if you need your capital at any given moment, as long as the stock market's open, of course, you can just withdraw your funds at the click of a button. Regardless of what asset class you're dealing with, there's going to be some type of risk. But of course, you gotta take risks, because it's the only way to make it out of this. But after that conversation with the representative at the bank, it made me realize that I need to open up my eyes, because there is a lot of opportunities out there that I am completely unaware of. When she told me about the Jamaican stock market, I didn't open my brokerage account immediately. It took me about a year to a year and a half. And within that time frame, I did miss out on quite a few opportunities. But that's a part of the process. You live and you learn. The fact that I took that jump and I started to get acclimated with a completely different market is a key component of this message. But if you want to know more about investing in the Jamaica stock market, let me know in the comments below, because I can make another video. With the Jamaica stock market, it's a bit more simple. You can only buy or sell. There's no call options or put options or all of that technical stuff that you have in the American stock market. But I look at it as a great way to diversify my portfolio and benefit from the progression of an economy outside of the United States. But what do you think? Is it a good idea to invest in the Jamaica stock market, or have you even considered it? Well, just let me know in the comments below. But it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.